I'm starting a Patreon where I'm going to be doing live Q&As monthly to answer some of your biggest editing questions.
Whoa, Finzar, did you just say new patron? Hell yeah!
Who the hell are you?
I'm Lil Finn, I'm your #1 student, baby. I love all your videos, man. You're just so cool. You're just so cool. Come on. What you gotta say? Come on, let's hear it. Woo!
Okay. I'm going to be starting 2 new patron tiers. The first one gives you access to the jobs board on my Discord server, the Finniverse.
Hell yeah, I love the jobs board, yeah. What else? What else?
Whilst the second tier gives you direct access to me through my monthly live Q&A sessions, where you can ask me anything editing related, and I'll even go through how I made some of my older videos.
Live Q&As, Finn? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, you're so cool. You are so cool. So cute.
Thanks, Lil Finn.
Yeah, no worries, Finn. No, you carry on, do your thing. Carry on, go.
I'll be giving you 1 week's notice before each live stream. But if you miss it, don't worry, because each live stream will be archived onto Patreon so that you can watch them in the future.
Whoa. So if I join today, I can go back and watch all of your old live streams that I missed before I was a member?
Yeah, that's right.
That's the best deal I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah, I mean, I hope so.
Man, Finn, you know, you're the absolute best. You're the best, man.
With that tier, you also get access to a special Discord calling card and access to the jobs board.
Oh, Finn, that's so great. That's so great. And you know what? You know what, Finn?
What?
Now I get to ask you questions like this every month. Every month. Forever.
Oh, boy.
Me and you, Finn, we're gonna be best friends. Best friends forever. You don't even know how many questions I'm gonna ask you. Okay? You're my best friend now.
So come join me and Lil Finn here every month on the Patreon. Link in the description.
Oh, this friendship never ending. It's never ending because I'm paying you for it. Which means you're obliged to be my best friend. Best friends forever, Finn.
Get out of here.
Me and you. Best friends. Forever. Forever. Forever.